Okay, that's good to know. Okay. They're so cute. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about lifestyle, house hunting, fashion, travel, hauls, all the things. And I'm so excited today to do a little TikTok shop haul for you guys. I bought 3 different things on TikTok shop, kind of splurged on a few different things. I spent like $220-ish, mostly because one of the things that I got is a pair of shoes. They're a pair of Adidas sneakers and they were like $110. So that was like the biggest part of our haul. And then I got 2 pairs of pants. Did I really need any of these things? No. But did TikTok shop get me? Yes, it did. So I'm so excited to show you my little splurge, my little TikTok shop splurge, because 2 of the 3 items are in and I need to open them. So I figured, why not bring you guys along, show you the items, try them on with you, see how I like them, because if you know me, you know I am obsessed with returning things. If it's not a hell yes for me, it's a no, and it's an immediate return. And I love getting my money back after buying something that doesn't end up working. So if some of these things don't work, fingers crossed they do, because I'd love them all to work. But if they don't, then whatever, we'll figure it out and we'll go make some returns. So let's get into this TikTok shop haul. Okay, so I think the pair of shoes, I'm like 99% sure that the pair of shoes is in. I really hope they fit. I really, really hope they fit. So let me go grab our packages and then we'll unbox them together. Okay, I was right. They're in, as well as one of our pairs of pants. But I am, oh, you're excited too, Gouda? I am so excited about these sneakers, so we're gonna try these on first. I am so nervous that they're not gonna fit, you guys. Oh my God, they're so gorgeous. Okay, I really hope they fit. Because look at them, they're beautiful. They're so pretty. Oh my God, you guys, we have to cross our fingers that they're gonna fit, because I got the Spezials. They are like a cream suede with burgundy. I'm obsessed. I am literally obsessed. Oh my God. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay. We need to, I like literally need to try these on immediately, because I just need to know. I need to know if they're gonna fit. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so nervous because the sizing was weird. I only have 1 pair of Handball Spezial sneakers and they were a men's. So I had to like do a whole thing of figuring out the women's sizing, but these are a women's. And it's actually like different. Like the size that I got in men's equates to a size in women's, that then when I did the research, they're like, but you wouldn't order this size if it was a woman's shoe, if that makes any sense. Like I was like a 5 women in the shoe that was made for men, but Adidas recommended that I buy the 6.5 for women, given that I'm a 7. It's a whole thing. So it's basically to say, oh my God, they fit. It's to say that I didn't know if they were gonna fit. Wait, I am so excited right now. Hold on, you guys. Let's make sure the other one fits though too, because I feel like my feet are literally 2 different sizes, and that's like a personal problem, but it is a problem nonetheless. Okay, also, ooh, here's the only thing that I don't love. It's not a deal breaker, but this lace came snagged. What's with that? Literally, what's with that? Let's see if it'll focus. Okay, you guys will be able to see. See that little snag? That's annoying, but whatever. Whatever. If the shoes actually fit, then I really don't care that much about the lace. It's not like someone is gonna notice that. I'm the only person that would notice that. Also, here's the other thing that I will say I appreciate, because I told Matt, I was like, I got Adidas sneakers from TikTok shop, and Matt was like, are they gonna be legit? They came with this tag that literally says verified authentic, and if I take it off, it's like void and no returns if the tag is removed. And I'm like, okay, seems legit to me. So let me try on. Hold on, let's just squeeze it in there. Okay, let me see. Wait, you guys, they fit. You guys, wait, they're so cute. Hold on, let me drop the camera for you guys to see them. Hold on, I'll get them close though for you to see. Ah, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I literally love them. I love them. They literally match my outfit right now. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I literally love these. I think these are adorable. The cream is just such a cute color. I love the like dark brown bottom. The burgundy, I just feel like these are such a fun, cute new little neutral of a sneaker. I feel like I can wear these with so many different kinds of colors, and I really like this style of sneaker. As I told you guys, I have another pair of the Handball Spezial sneakers. They're in a green, and the green is like, it's just a little bit harder to like style outfits around a green sneaker. I absolutely love them, don't get me wrong. They're super freaking cute, and I'm having a lot of fun styling them. But a cream sneaker is very easy to style, and especially with burgundy stripes. It's not like the stripes is this like bright, bold color that I also then have to figure out how to style around. Like, oh my god, they're so cute. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So item number 1 is a total win. Honestly, that was the item that I was the most nervous about. So now I'm like, I don't even mind if the other 2 items, literally, if they don't work out, I don't even care, because my new sneakers fit and they're so cute. I love them. Let me actually put these away, and then I will open up our one of 2 pairs of pants that came in. So next up, we have a package from the brand called Addicted. It's spelt in this fun, funky way. I'm super excited for this pair of pants. I honestly specifically got these pair of pants as a pair of pants to wear for my brat-themed birthday party, especially if I chicken out with having the courage to wear the booty shorts. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go watch my like party prep / like Amazon haul for my brat-themed birthday party, because then this will all make sense to you. But these are an option for if I'm just feeling a little bit too nervous to wear my booty shorts. And I don't think I will feel too nervous. But the reality is I also think that like at the start of the party, I literally just might be like cold. And then as the party goes on, if I like have a little drink and I'm surrounded by all my girlfriends, I'm like naturally gonna be excited, and I'm literally gonna get more hot physically, like temperature wise. And then I will be like, oh, I want to change into my booty shorts. So it's to say, this is a pair of pants that feel like on theme for the brat theme. And it's not just that they're on theme for the brat theme. Like I will wear these otherwise. But I was like, this is fun because I can wear them as like the start for my birthday party. And then I can have like a little outfit change and change into booty shorts. And if I'm feeling really bold, then I'll wear the booty shorts the entire time. But this is my little like security blanket. And I just thought they were super cute. And I was like, yeah, I want these. But I don't know how they're gonna fit. Oh, but I know that I like them. I know I like them. I know I want them to fit. So here they are. They are black jeans with studs all around the waist, outlining the pockets, and then all the way down. Oh, how cute. Literally, how cute are these? Wait, I'll get a little thumbnail. Okay, so this is our first of 2 pairs of pants. I need to try them on. I got them in a size small. Honestly, you guys, my options were small, medium, large. So I don't know if these are gonna fit. If they don't fit, I'm gonna return them. And if they do fit, amazing. So let me try them on and then I'll show you guys what they look like. Oh, they're like a low rise. They fit. They were a little hard to squeeze over my butt, I'll be honest, but they definitely fit. Oh, and they're like a little bit of a flare leg, but not like a crazy obnoxious flare leg. And they're like a little bit of like a kind of baggy bottom, but again, not like obnoxiously baggy. They're definitely low rise. Let me get a little closer for you guys to see. As you can see, they hit under belly button. They are a good tight fit, honestly, around my waist. Like there's really not there. We don't have wiggle room here, and in my butt too. Like there's really not wiggle room. I had to kind of like do a little dance to get them over my butt. Which, yeah, means we don't have a lot of room to grow in them, but that's okay. We don't need a lot of room to grow in them. They're cute. They are super cute. Wow, okay, you guys, I really like these. I feel like these are such a fun option, especially to start the party in, because I'm gonna have my little t-shirt's gonna be like this. You're gonna get to see the full studded situation. And I'll have my fun jeans moment and get myself comfortable and get myself warm. And then I'm gonna be like, I wanna bust out of these jeans and I wanna feel free. And then I'll put on my booty shorts. I'm so excited. So here is the second item in our TikTok shop haul. Another win of an item. Good thing I'm like loving all these purchases, because now we're about to enter like a no spend century. I'm literally entering a no spend at least 2 months. At least 2 months. If you follow me on TikTok, you know. So I'm so excited because I'm gonna style these in like so many fun different ways. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, and lastly, I'm still waiting on one pair of pants to come through in this TikTok shop haul, so I will just continue this video as soon as those come in. Okay, so I told you guys that we would finish the TikTok shop haul as soon as the package came in, and it came in! Forgive the blur, forgive the no makeup. Let me show you guys. Package is in, and they're like a red track pant. Are they Adidas brand? No, they're not. They're TikTok shop. So they have 4 stripes, not 3. But I'm literally so excited for these. If you guys know, you know, it is so hard to find track pants. Literally impossible. My friends have been going to the thrift store and some of them have had luck and found some track pants, but they've said, they're like, it is really, really hard to find a track pant right now because everyone wants them. So I got myself a pair. We're gonna have to see how they fit. Might be a little bit long. And if they're too long, I'm gonna have to return them, because if they're like, I'm not wearing heels with track pants, you know what I mean? And I'm not going and getting these hemmed. So we'll see. They might be fine, but they might be long. So let me try them on. And then what I will do is I will put the camera in the tripod for you guys to like actually see them in a full length way. Oh, actually, I don't think that they're too long, you guys. Oh, there are 5, okay, I was wrong. There are 5 stripes on the side. Okay, so they're not like trying to be like Adidas. They're just trying to be like a fun little track pant. Okay, hold on, let me go look in the mirror. Let me look in the mirror. You guys can see a little glimpse, but I'm gonna go take a look in the mirror and then I will put you guys into the tripod. Here are the track pants. You guys, they're super cute. They're really comfortable. They're cute. They fit really well. I actually don't even know if they have these in an extra small, but an extra small would have definitely been too small, and a medium definitely would have been too big. The small is perfect. The length is honestly perfect. I'm not wearing sneakers and they hit just at the ground, so a little bit of sneakers, they would literally be the perfect height. Let me show you. So they come a little bit, I'm wearing them like a high waist kind of a fit, a little bit above my belly button here. And here's the look. You can see they've got 5 stripes down the side. They've got these 2 pockets, little drawstring with metal at the bottom. And yeah, I think it looks cute, like a cute fit in the butt. They're so cute. I'm like so excited to style these for spring, summer. Honestly, you guys, I'll probably do like a how to style red track pants video. Probably, so you'll have to stay tuned to see if I do that. Yeah, this is the end of our 200 plus TikTok shop haul. I'm so excited. Every single thing that we got worked out. So fun. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.